Hello, this is my very first time making this video with my face on it. So I'm a little nervous, I'm a little freaked out, but I really wanted to give it a go. So here I am. Okay, so this video is about my purchase from Amazon about nail art rhinestones and stickers or water decal. Water decal stickers that you can use for your nail art. How to make it easy with these stones and appliques, which are known as. So today I am sharing with you my recent purchase that I got from Amazon. Okay, so this one is the stones. These are rhinestones, are different color rhinestones. I got it from Amazon about a week back, and I wanted to share it with you. We love those rhinestone colored nail arts, and these add a little punch to your nail. They really look good. They really look blingy and nice. The way it is shown mostly by professional nail art designers, professional nail artists. Okay, so you can, if you want some good nail art and a little bling on your nails for a wedding function or for any party, for any late night disco theme like party, so you can use these on your nails. Just apply a little top coat over your nail or nail glue if you have, and just stick it accordingly, like the whichever pattern you want. You can either go for minimal look and stick just one on it, or if you want to go like extravagant, then cover your entire nail with these stones, or create any line or any particular design like a flower or a diamond shaped design or a triangle or whichever design that you like to do. These are like really perfect for that. I got it for I guess the print price is 999, but I got it for about 350 rupees or 400. I don't exactly remember. I'll link it in the description box, so you guys can use it. These are really nice, and the quantity is also good. I mean, for 300 400 bucks, this quantity is like really nice. Okay, let's move on to next. The next one are my recent purchases from Savi. This is my favorite brand right now for nail art stuff. I mean, most of their uh, designs, most of their appliques for nails are about like 200 to 400 price range, in between that, and the quality, the packaging, it is really nice. Okay, so I got this pearl nail art applique. I hope you can see it. These are different sized pearls. These are, from the smallest one to the largest one. You can use these for a classy, elegant looking nail art design. It really makes it look cute. I did it for my engagement nail art. I use these stones to match the look with my dress, which was slight baby pink color. So I use these nail art pearls for creating a different elegant looking design. Another one is, okay, so I wanted to try these ones. These are different shaped appliques for nails. You can see some are triangle, some are cylindrical, some are round and squarish shape. These are a bit holographic. These are like white in color but with holographic effect, like if you like move your nail, it changes color. So I really loved it, how the unicorn kind of feel. I really liked it, and these really attractive. So I just wanted to try these. These are also available in silver and I suppose also in gold color. So you can try these if you want to go for something very simple. The process is same. You apply top coat on your nail or the nail art glue if you have, and just put it over there and top it with a top coat. apply top coat over it as well, so that it sticks for a bit longer. Because with just top coat at the base, it'll stick for about like 2 days or 3 days if you don't wash utensils or clothes or get your hands wet. So you can use these. Another one is these beads. I wanted to try these, but this was a major disappointment from Savi. If you're listening, Savi, just understand this was a major disappointment. On the description, it mentioned that these are 10-gram beads, so I was happy that I'll get a bit more quantity, but it came, I like weighed it, and it was just 3 or 4 grams. So I was disappointed about the quantity. I spent almost $300 on these, but I could have bought something else. Some other sellers were also there which was selling entire like 500 grams or 300 grams for 200 300 $400. So that would have been a better purchase, but they did not had the gold ones. So okay, so you can use these beads to create pattern around to outline your nail art or to add a little golden shimmer to it. These are metallic beads, so it is easy to create a look with these beads on your nails. It will really pump it up. It's easy to use, but these are very, very fine looking. So if you like spill it on the table, you will not even see where these are. So I suggest that you use a magnet to hold them down and put on your nails very carefully. Okay, and the last one from Savi is these. I forgot the name. What are these? Okay, these are these stencils for nail art. These are different shaped stencils, so you can just put them on your nail and apply nail polish over it and just take them off. So it creates a pattern, it creates a look. It makes easy for you to have different shapes. Like if you want to do a French manicure look, you can do it with these easily, these middle ones. And there are many shapes, many designs, like different designs which you can use to create look on your nails. But the disappointment about these ones is that they are a bit big. They are a bit too big actually for my nails. Like this one, my nail is just this much. So if you have tiny hands, if you have tiny nails, these will not help you in any way. I really like these heart ones actually. It has many shapes, it has different shapes. So try to use it if you guys buy it. I'll have to figure out some way to use it on my nails. But I was really looking forward to buy these, because it is very, very, very difficult to buy something like this in India, and internationally there are many stencils available, but since due to Corona everything is closed down, international shipping is closed down, so you'll have to figure out any seller who's providing it, and if they can come handy, get them. It's easy. Okay, so let's move on to my another purchase. These ones, these are like best purchase that I have ever done on Amazon for nail art. These are 48 rhinestones and stones and little. Okay, so these are different colored chunky glitters and stones and holographic, I don't know what we call them, little particles in different colors. You can see these are like really cute looking bottles, and they are filled to the brim with different colors and different chunky glitters which are available in heart shapes and stars, and you can see floral shapes, and there are like hexagon ones, and there are few Like this one, this you know, it has the unicorn feel. I just love anything with unicorn feel, you know. Like it has holographic effect to it, and it looks really nice on the nail if you do nail art with these. I have already tried one nail art with this one, this particular one, and you can see it on my Instagram channel. I have mentioned all the links down below in the description box. You can follow me over there for nail art tutorials and nail art designs and just nail art things and different items. Okay, so this was really nice, you know. This was priced at about 3 to 400. All of these nail art things, nail art appliques and rhinestones are between 3 to 400 price range. So this is actually a good purchase, you know. This is a very decent priced purchase, and these really work amazing on your nail if you use these, and they really perk it up your nail. You don't have to like put in a lot of effort while using these, and it looks good. Okay, yeah, I'll share a big close-up of all these products at the end of the video, so you can see what these are meant for. Okay, let's move on to next. These are decals which I got from Amazon. I like to keep them safe. Okay, so these are different water decals. You can like dip them in the water, remove the plastic film from top. That is the biggest mistake we all do while using decals. We just leave the plastic film on them and the decal just go not usable. So you have to remove the plastic sheet from top and then dip it in the water until it's nice and damp. Then just slide it off the surface gently on your finger and just go and place it on the nail you want the nail art design on and the way you want. Okay, you can just if it is, you know, a little wrinkled or if it is not looking nice, then just dip your finger in the water and gently move it gently, like, you know, place it nicely on the nail and just press it with a soft cotton cloth so that the entire water and everything just goes on the cloth and your nail art looks flawless. And top it with top coat as usual. Okay, these are like different shapes and different designs, floral designs, which I really like, you know. These are easy nail art designs. You can use them on your nail and create something different. Yeah. Okay, so I have many water decals. These are like my favorite thing to do when I want an easy nail art and quickly. Actually, it takes just 5 minutes to do nail art with these, and it's a good thing. Another one is this one. I have already used a couple of them. These are gold and silver water decals. These are also different. These also can come in different shapes and different designs. Like this one has butterflies on it. Another one has butterflies on it. Another one has teddy bears on it. Then there are stars and hearts and kitties. Or if you want something for your cuticle, and this is here. If you want a cute different inverted French mani, you can use this one. And there are cute butterfly patterns over here, and there are many designs, you know. Like this is the jewelry one. This is the tiger print. Okay, so there are many designs. You can use these as a base on your nail polish and top it with rhinestones. Like in this one, you can top it with a small rhinestone and it will really make your nail art stand out, you know. Like this mini circle in between, I hope you can see it. You can put a rhinestone in over here and it will look really amazing, you know. Nobody will be able to guess that you used a water decal for creating this, and everybody will come and ask you, how did you make that? Okay, so this was all my purchase that I did from Amazon, and I hope you really liked it. Okay, so you can buy these from Amazon. I'll try to find out all the links since I got them from different accounts, and I'll share it with you guys so that you can also enjoy these. Thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe. It helps me to be motivated and post more, since this is my very first video with my face. So I really want to know if you guys liked it, and if you want me to make more videos with these kind of stuff that you can easily buy in India. Okay, thank you.